Hello everyone, I am Meera and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. Guys, today I will tell you that how can you improve your English vocabulary. And if you want to speak English fluently, then you will have to command on vocabulary too. Because without vocabulary, you can't speak English fluently. You can speak, but you will stuck in many places. You will feel hesitate while speaking. But whenever your English vocabulary is so vast and so strong, then you can speak English flawlessly and so smoothly. And guys, you know that if anyone knows the English, then he can or she can get more opportunities in his career or her career, because in every institutes and every companies, English is more necessary and English is so mandatory. So you will have to command on English language also with your native language and Hindi. So I think you can learn many things from this video. And one more thing, guys, sorry for disturbance, because I think background noise is more than previous videos, because this is the time of morning, and you know that I am from a little village. Because in the morning time, you know the condition of village, because in the morning time everyone wants to work, and this is the village, not city. That's why in morning there is a noise a lot, and someone is plowing his field. That's why background noise is more. And as well as you can just see, this is a temple behind me. I will show you. Wait, just see, this is the temple, and a devotional sound is playing. That's why sound is more louder. That's the problem, my background noise is more. So don't worry guys, I think you can hear my words clearly. And as well as guys, come to the point, I will tell you that how can you improve your vocabulary so fast. So this is not any shortcut, but this is a smooth, or you can just say this is a very simple trick, that if you follow this trick, then you can learn vocabulary so fast. So the main thing is that whenever you learn new things, whenever you learn new words, then just try to relate these words with your life. As well as whenever you read any English books or any English newspapers, as well as any other thing, and if you learn or see any new word, then you can just note it or use it in your daily life. So if you, so guys, there is a one more request, that if you are beginner, then don't try to learn the words from newspaper from starting, because you know that journalists use more hard words than our normal people. So you can just demotivate yourself there. So if you want to motivate yourself, then you just try to collect the words from little kids books. And if you have your English books, then you just use your texts. As well as you can just buy some new books for yourself, where you can find the normal words. You can just use these words and you can learn more words so easy, because there you will find new words which will be so easy as well as new to you. So you can learn that words so easily there, and you can't feel demotivated. So I think if you read any English texts or any English books, anything else in English, then you just underline the words. You just try to find that words meaning. You can use Google or Google Translate. Google Translate is a very fantastic app where you can find the meaning of everything so easily, from Hindi to English, as well as many languages are available in that app. So you can just use it. So I think this video is so helpful for you. And please guys, if you learned something from my video, then please tell me that from where you are watching the video. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.